Hi, Dmitry is here and I'd like to welcome you to the next video on my channel. Today we will review another strange thing from the photography world, and today it will be Agfa Lebox Plus camera. Why it's strange? Because I can describe this as a semi-disposable. Why disposable? Because when you finish shooting, you should return this camera with cassettes with cartridges to the laboratory. So you cannot change the film inside it, or you should not process film by yourself. But why it is not disposable, not normal disposable? Because you have 3 of that cartridges with film, so it's not single use, but rather 3 times use camera. As you can see, it's a 3x27 photos. Each cartridge has its own counter, and as you can see, it's only slightly, I'm joking, only slightly expired. 18 years, sorry. So I'm really not sure that we will have some photos here, because I don't know what the storage conditions was, and probably it was stored in hot conditions. As you can see, the plastic and paper is a bit yellowish after all that time. So what do we have here? We have a camera with flash, with interchangeable cassettes, so you can shoot one, replace it, and shoot it again. Each cassette have 27 shoots of Agfa Vista 400 ISO film. It's obviously fixed focus, and the price do not include processing. Well, okay, film made in Germany, by the way, and camera obviously made in China. So let's unpack it and see what do we have inside. Let's unpack it. It's not so easy to unpack actually, so if it was pointed to the people who, for the tourists for example, who will buy this at the street and modern Kodak Fonsaver, just buy it on the street and make some photos. In that case, it's not the case, because it's not so easy to just open it. But I think we can handle this. Obviously, camera not able to transfer smells, but here I have a really special smell of, I think, old plastic. Oh yeah, finally we have the camera, but not the cartridges, because each cartridge comes in the individual packaging. Maybe they will be more safe. They will have more chances to survive in that individual packaging, I'm not sure. So let's take a look on the camera itself. The controls are quite simple, just shutter button, flash loading, charging button, and I'm not sure if it will still work after all that time, because battery can die easily. I'm holding the button, but the flash ready indicator is not light, so probably we need to change the battery. One moment, I will bring a tester. So here is our battery, Changhong Alkaline Super Battery. I not see. Oh, made in PRC. so it's Chinese. Here is the battery tester. Let's switch it to 1.5 volts. Yeah, and install the battery in question. And we have completely 0 voltage from this battery, so it's completely died, but at the same time it's not leaked. So I guess I'm really lucky that it's not leaked. Expiration date is 2008, December of 2008. Come on, focus. It's not able to focus, so let's change the battery. Let's install a fresh battery from Panasonic. I don't know if you hear that, but flash is started charging already, so I guess this button is like permanently activated, because I'm not requested flash charge now, but it's charging and it says it's ready now. Let's give it some time, maybe it will turn off. If not, then we know why the battery was died. So, what about the cartridge? 27 exposures, film made in Germany. Do not open. So when we will finish one cartridge, I guess you know what will happen. Let's try to eject it and see what do we have inside. Lift door to remove film for developing. So we have some protective window here. I will not open this because I'm not sure if film is in normal 35mm cartridge or no. Maybe film is just winded there, and if I will open this, all film will be exposed to light. I'm not sure. I guess there is a standard cartridge, but I have no idea. So we have a frame counter right here, expiration date, and actually that's it. Oh, and flash ready light is gone. Yeah, so it looks like camera is working properly, and it's ready to make some photos. It's quite interesting and quite unusual thing. I never heard about something like that. So I will shoot some photos and show you the results. Stay tuned.